Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on the Marlin protocol, or Pond. That's the name of the token. We're going to be covering this. I haven't covered this in a very long time, I believe. I mean, if we zoom out, you might still be able to see the last time I did an analysis. I'm not sure, but Marlin overall, I mean, it has been holding up fairly well. Take a look at the price right now. Definitely, it's at the same levels we were basically at like June and May of 2022. So it has been holding up fairly well. Has also been developing quite a lot, like we've seen on their Twitter. Excuse me, I almost have to sneeze. I think I can hold it up. But yeah, so big developments as well around Oyster, which is a new feature slash product of theirs, so quite active. I actually thought for quite a long time that Marlin was quite inactive, because if you actually take a look at their GitHub right here, you can see that now there have actually been quite a lot of developments in the last weeks and days, but there was a time where there actually was no development to be seen there. So it's great to see them back. Having said that, I do think these moves that we're seeing right now are manipulated, but we'll talk about that and just in general what to expect in terms of the price, because manipulation doesn't necessarily mean that it's bearish. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, as you can see from the top right there, if you want to receive daily trading signals and also other perks like my own trading guides, which I put a lot of hours in, and an exclusive chat room full of traders, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comments, and there you will find instructions on how to join. So now, onto Marlin. So the first thing I have to do is give you my thoughts on why I think it's manipulated. And to be fair, I cannot really give good arguments in favor of that, because right now, if you take a look at the volume is actually pretty decent. There's nothing wrong with the volume. You can see that there's like Binance. There's a lot of Binance, a lot of Bitvavo. There's a bit of WhiteBit, bit of BitGet, quite a lot. But apart from that, I mean, this really isn't that shocking. Even though quite a lot of volume from Bitvavo is perhaps a little bit weird. But personally, I trust Bitvavo a lot because it's a Dutch exchange as well. So might be a little bit biased towards that. But if you take a look at the price movements, I mean, this just looks like manipulation. Just all of a sudden, volume comes into the market. Like you can also see it right here. I mean, with these big moves right here, there's like in the matter of minutes, like millions of dollars get added. Like the volume went up in one day from under 1 million to $95 million. You tell me, is that normal? Is that manipulation? I don't know. But all right. So like I said, it doesn't really matter because it can be bullish or bearish either way. So right now, the thing we are in, and the situation we are in, I would say, is the following. Is that we have this second kind of impulse wave right here, with which we are trying to get some sort of a bullish breakout above this level right here. I would say it's like 0.0115, so 1.15 cents. That's our main resistance right now. Right now we're in that level between 1.1 cents and 1.15 cents. And what we're trying to do is get that bullish breakout. And at this point in time, to be fair with you, that looks like the most likely scenario. It looks like the most likely scenario that we will push through and then get to our next resistance level, which in my eyes really is around 1.3, 1.35 cents. 1.35 cents also to me at this point in time looks like an amazing short trade. But I don't think I can trade bonds on BYBIT. So that's one dream less. But yeah, this is what I expect. In general, it's just, and then from there, I do expect us to crash down pretty hard, or at least find a lot of resistance. And then if it's needed, I'll be back with another analysis if you're interested in that as well. And excuse me for being sick, by the way, it must be annoying to listen to. But on the other hand, if for some reason we are not able to get that bullish breakout and we actually drop back down and we drop down below our major support around 1.1 cents, then it's over. Not what I expect, but you should know that if that support level breaks, it's over and we'll just drop back down to that 0.9, 0.95 cents level and consolidate what we have been doing for most of the time during the last year. But that's my take on Pond for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.